I am not a born-again Christian. I'm a Christian, but not a born-again Christian. I told him when they slap me, I told here. Me, if you slap me here, I don't know what I'll survive the other one. I'll blow your head off.
If you push me, I'll push you. Touch me, I will touch you. Nice.
God have mercy upon us.
Before people would come here, I could have killed a lot. I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Hey! Hey! Pokri, they know be fine now. They know be fine now. You won't be na arm.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey!
Jesus!
5 years of madness.
Jay. What? Okay. Help us. Help us. There is God.
Then Tiagasa?
There is God. God should descend. Today God will descend here.
Hey!